Do you need air conditioning repair near Staten Island, New York? Let me guess, it's sweltering outside and your air conditioner just died. Inside your house is miserable, it's hot, everybody's sweating, all the kids are complaining, and it's just, you can't get any relief. And what are you going to do? You need to find an air conditioning repair company that's going to come out quickly and take care of the problem for you. Whether it's a complete Staten Island air conditioning system, integrated heat pump, or ductless mini split, Remodel.com offers the parts and whole system installation to keep you warm when you want it during the winter and cool when you want it and need it during the summer. Some popular services that we offer in Staten Island around HVAC are heating, cooling, solar, ductwork, indoor allergy solutions, insulation, and energy saving systems. So if you're looking for an air conditioning repair or an air conditioning tune-up, contact us. Schedule a repair anywhere in Staten Island or Brooklyn. We'll come out to you and give you a 100% free estimate right now. Call us at 888-214-7090. That's 888-214-7090 for all your HVAC service needs in Staten Island, New York.